Hello students, welcome to your e-learning class. Last day I have told also about value education, values for life. What are values for life? This vision. I have given some introduction, also the first chapter, and also what are values and why we should learn all those values. And this book has given some morals by telling some stories. First chapter, the Giant's Garden. I think everybody knows this story. Besides that also, please read with me. The Giant's Garden. But here this picture is there. Didi, will you teach me to ride your new bicycle? Yes, of course. I have already told this explanation of this picture because this picture tells you should share with anything if anybody is requesting to you. So here small kid or his brother is asking his Didi, can he share or can he teach? Everybody doesn't know everything. So we should acquire knowledge. We should know something by helping others or from others, from taking help from others. So that is also enough for this picture. So please let's read. Once there was a giant who lived in a big house. He had a beautiful garden, but he never let anyone enter it. Whenever he was away, some children from the neighborhood would come into his garden to play. One giant, big giant, it's a big garden and it's a beautiful garden. When he was not there, some children, they used to come there and they were playing. One day when the giant was not home, the children came to play as usual. As usual means just normally. They used to come, they are playing also there. When he returned, he saw the children playing happily in his garden. This made him very angry. Actually, he saw that someone is plucking flowers, someone is swinging with his tree, and also they are sometimes breaking the tree branches also. So he was very angry. He was thinking if they were playing in his garden that it will spoil. He chased all the children away and then built a tall wall around the garden. So tall wall, one big boundary wall he has given, he has made. The children could not climb the wall and enter the giant's garden. Without happy children in the garden, all the flowers died, the leaves curled up and become dry. Here, children, that is a tall wall. How can they climb? They could not climb, so they did not come. And the flowers are very unhappy. So they died and leaves are curled up and also they became dry. They also died. They are not having any colors without the laughing or without happiness of the children. No new flowers, leaves or plants grew. In winter, snow fell and covered the whole garden. Snow means there is no life, no one can come, no flowers also bloomed. When spring came, and spring means, spring is the time of flowers, season of flowers. Everywhere trees grew, new leaves and buds. Soon there were green leaves and beautiful flowers everywhere. Birds sang on the trees, bees buzzed around the flowers, and animals played around the bushes. But it was still winter in Giant's garden because no one came, No children came. No leaves grew on the trees. There were no flowers and no birds. The giant not worried. He wondered why winter did not leave his garden. Then one morning, the giant heard a cuckoo singing. Amazed. What is the meaning of amazed? And wondered or surprised. He went out to see the cuckoo. He saw a few children playing in his garden. A few means little, one or two. Then he noticed a tiny hole in his garden's high wall. Small hole, tiny means very small. The children had squeezed through it. Squeeze means just they are entering it. When the happy children played in the garden, winter ran away, taking all the snow and cold with it. Because of these happy children, the winter had gone from his garden. Spring happily entered the giant's garden. Trees bloomed with new leaves and flowers. Birds sang on every tree. He could even see small animals going happily about their business in the garden. And small animals also, they have come because the children have come. So they are also very happy. The giant realized that he had been wrong. He had been selfish. Selfish means only he was thinking about self. That is why he is selfish. He had not shared his beautiful garden. He had not shared the joy his garden gave him with his children. From that day onwards, he let the children play in his garden. Sometimes when they are all having fun, the giant would sit and enjoy looking at them playing too. I think you have understood. This is the story of selfish giant. And so many words are there. Please underline all those words if you don't know and if you don't know the meaning. Next day again I will tell the story, and please read with this story, with this book. Thank you. Have a nice day.